With Lyco Cooker-Coolers, you can increase capacity and reduce clumping as the unit blanches and cools pasta, rice, and vegetables. Save space by cooking and cooling product in one machine, so there's no need for a conveyor between two separate hot and cold machines. Lyco's cooker-cooler also simplifies cleanup and maintenance. You can increase yield and get 100% uniformity because our cooker-cooler eliminates dense massing that happens with conventional designs. Lyco uses only quality material, and fabrication guarantees low maintenance costs. Lyco's clean-in-place system cleans both hot and cold zones, and our design saves space with low initial investment. Lyco Manufacturing, the experts in innovative food processing machinery.